So in order to cancel a return request on eBay, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is sign into our eBay account, and once we've done that, you want to go ahead and hover over the My eBay at the top right hand corner. You want to go ahead and click on Purchase History. Now once the web page has loaded up, it's going to look something like this, and as you can see, all of your orders are going to be categorized in these boxes. For example, we've got unpaid items here, we've got unpaid invoices, and our orders here. Now what we want to do is scroll all the way down. It's going to be near the bottom, and you want to go ahead and find the box called Returns and Cancelled Orders. Now you want to find the order you want to cancel the return request for, and you want to go ahead and click on View Return Details. Now once that page has loaded up, it's going to look something like this. Now what we want to do now is go ahead and click on Close this return. The text should be highlighted in blue. Now once the next page loads up, it's going to ask for a reason to close the return. So you're going to go ahead and click on the drop down menu and select one of the reasons. So I'm going to select I have received a replacement. And if you want to add any additional details, you can type it in the box here. Now once you're fully ready to close the return request, you want to go ahead and click on Close this return, and it's going to be highlighted with a blue box. Once you've done that, it's going to come up and say we got it, we noted that you closed this return request, and it's going to have your date here. And that's how you successfully close a return request on eBay. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. You can check out my channel for more videos like this. So thank you for watching and have a good day.